Welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I wanted to come give you guys a 1 month update of my protective style. I am 1 month post protective style, and I wanted to come show you guys what my braids look like and what my scalp is looking like and how my braids are doing and my plans when it comes to my protective style. So first thing first, my braids are so cute. Like, I'm loving my braids and my protective style. I have been loving them so much that I'm thinking about, after I take these out, I'm thinking about doing another protective style or doing some more braids, but instead doing them jet black. Even though I've been loving this color, I'm just thinking a little longer, and jet black would be super cute. Also too, for my girls, I plan on doing them braids to start back to school year. I may detox the locks and then, you know, treat their locks and everything. Probably take their braids out like a week before school start, let their hair breathe, treat it and everything, and then put them some braids in before school starts, because we just been loving our braids. But I'll see, because you definitely got to see like how the locks are doing up under the protective style. So I won't make that decision until after I take these braids. And if our hair is flourishing up under the protective style, I will definitely be putting some more braids in over our locks. But that's where we're at right now when it comes to the braids. But I'm loving my braids. And since I've been wearing a protective style, I think my lock goals are going to be long locks, because I like all the styles that I can do with my braids, and I think that's why I've been loving them so much, because I can do so much more with longer hair. So I feel like my new lock goal is definitely going to be long locks. I can do so many different styles with them. I can show my shave size. I can put it in a ponytail. I can do a cute updo. I can just do so much with longer hair. So that's what I'm thinking right now. But hey, that may change over the years, but right now I'm thinking long locks. But let me just show you guys what my braids are looking like right now. So this is what my braids are looking like. I don't have any frizz. I don't have any locks coming out or anything like that. Yeah, my braids still look really good for it to be a month post protective style. And I did get a haircut. Let me show you guys what my shave size looking like. My hair just grows back super fast with the shave size, which I don't really care. I kind of like when it grows back, and then I also like the fresh look, so I like both looks. But this is what my hair is looking like. Definitely growing back. I probably need to get some type of oil and really cater to my sides while I'm wearing a protective style. That's one thing I haven't been doing, because I usually just get my hair cut low anyways, but I probably should, just to see if I can get my temples to grow back a little thicker. But this is what my hair looks like. And then the other side. My braids. Yeah, and honestly, I just kind of been wearing my locks like this with a middle part. I have washed my braids. I washed my braids with the Head and Shoulders Tea Tree shampoo conditioner. I did wash my hair with that. I washed it in the shower, and I washed my scalp, and I didn't wash the rest of my braids. The soap just kind of cleansed them as I washed the shampoo out, but I did wash my hair. So as far as my scalp is looking pretty good. I do have a little bit of new growth, so that's what my scalp looks like. Yep. But You'll see I do got a little bit of new growth going on, and that's pretty good new growth for 1 month post. So right here, Dell. I have been keeping my scalp oiled with oil, and then I kind of showed you guys what I use on my locks. That's all I've been using on my locks. I haven't been doing any extra thing. I have been tying them up at night and putting the rest of my locks in a bun. Sometimes it fall off, sometimes it doesn't. I guess it depends on how tired I am and how I'm sleeping. But for the most part, my locks are holding up really well with the protective style, and I do have some new growth going on, and I do plan on keeping my braids in for the whole month of July too. So I'll take my braids down. I won't mess with my hair till after I get my girls' hair redone. I just told y'all I plan on doing braids again for school starting, but I do want to see how well their locks are developing up under their braids before I make that final decision. So I do plan on doing their hair, but so I'll probably have my braids in honestly for about 2 months and a week before I touch my hair, because I want to make sure their hair is, you know, done and ready for school. But I am loving the braids. Most of the time, I'll like take it like this, wear it down or in a bun, or I'll just take like 4 braids from the back, tie my hair like with my braids and wear it like this. I haven't been doing much to my hair. I've been keeping my hands out of my hair, so that's a plus. And when I get ready to actually take my braids down, we're gonna do a whole video. I'm gonna show you guys what my braids look like, and then we're gonna go from there, decide if we're gonna continue to protective style. But right now, from what I'm seeing and the growth and everything, like the protective style is the move right now, okay? That's what I'm thinking. But I just wanna come give you guys a quick update on my 1 month post protective style. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.